Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to set the print area in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, all we need to do is select the cells that we want to be printed. Let's say I'd like to print until the 26th row. Now that I've selected that, all I have to do is go to Page Layout and click on the print area and click on Set Print Area. Once we've done that, we should head over to Page Break Preview so we can easily see what our print area would look like. As you can see, the print area is set for 3 pages. If ever we want to fit all of these, let's go to the orientation and click on landscape because apparently the length of our data is greater than the height. Now, we got enough data to print for page 1 and page 2. Now, to preview on what our print would look like, here it is. As you can see, the data values from JSON all the way from January to December, while also including the total. Going back, we can manually adjust this line over here so that we can change some values from page 1 to page 2 or vice versa by just aiming your cursor on the line and dragging it to the left or to the right. But since it looks great right now, we should just leave it as it is. Now, if ever we want to add more data, it's quite simple. Let's say I'd like to add more up until Josie. Josie is located on the 31st row, so all I have to do is click on Print Area again and click on the option Add to Print Area. Now, we just expanded our selection. And this is what it should look like on the print preview. There we go. Lastly, since in the print preview, it's quite hard to read from page 1 to page 2 without having a guide for the page 2 items, well, we could make something for it. We could try to put the headers for page 2 as well so the readers won't get confused. To do so, just click on the print titles and click on the columns to repeat at left. Select this column right here and click on the print preview. And there we go. Every time we scroll, the names are retained. And there we have it. This is how we set the print area in Microsoft Excel.